Xylem's Sensus iPERL plus electromagnetic residential static meter offers unmatched accuracy in water usage measurement for your utility and your customers, backed by an unprecedented 20-year accuracy guarantee. Accurate down to plus or minus 1.5%, with starting flows as low as 0.03 gallons per minute. iPERL Plus captures low flow consumption that mechanical meters simply don't register. iPERL Plus can be installed horizontally, vertically, or diagonally without the need for a straight pipe, with either polymer or our highest strength metal flow tube casing options. 14 advanced smart alarms, including continuous flow, high flow, reverse flow, and tamper detection, provide superior visibility into proactive management. And the ability to log 120 days of hourly data ensures long-term, precise data collection. It's why iPERL has sold nearly 20 million units globally. Learn more at xylem.com/iPERL+.